Working remotely can be hard, especially when it comes to staying productive. Fortunately, there are a number of reliable wireless internet services providers which can help remote workers stay connected no matter where their job takes them. Here's some tips on how to make the most out of working remotely in Maryland. Start your journey in Baltimore and explore one of the many modern co-working spaces located around town. With private offices, high-speed internet connections, and fully equipped kitchens, you can easily stay productive while savoring all what Baltimore has to offer. Plus, multiple regional providers also offer reliable high-speed broadband throughout the city so that staying connected should not be an issue for any remote worker. Head south and experience the beauty of Washington, D.C., boasting multiple co-working spaces, perfect for digital nomads looking for some extra space away from their usual desk setup. And with Nomad Internet, providing unbeatable coverage across rural areas too. Regardless if you are exploring its historic sites or simply working away from home, you'll always have fast connection speeds at your fingertips. Finally, discover Annapolis and immerse yourself in its cultural diversity while making use of any available co-working spaces located around town. Take advantage of Nomad Internet's wireless internet services to guarantee that remote workers will never have problems managing distractions when they work in rural areas nearby as well.